In a lot of the residential areas, a lot less in the business areas, but a lot of residential areas, especially residents that have owned their homes for a long time, they usually always have at least one diamond certified book, and they trust a lot of the businesses in that book, based on experience. I've had many customers call us through the book and say, you guys are diamond certified. We're going to give you the job, because we've worked with diamond certified companies before and they've all done a great job. So we trust you. So it's a very good thing to have. Earning a customer's trust sometimes when you've never met them before and they have an industry that's full of people who are not very trustworthy. Having a company to kind of single out, the good companies from the bad companies is definitely better than any internet review company that does not do any due diligence on who they're getting their reviews from. A lot of those review companies don't do the due diligence, filtering, actually talking to human beings that received service from said companies. That's very important. I feel like in the industry, or in the review industry, at least like Yelp or even Google, it's not controlled and it's not trustworthy. Anybody can go on there and say anything, and it's just not right. Definitely, when we have customers that are skeptical, that are not 100% sure, and don't have experience with Diamond Certified, they don't know what it is or what they do, the pamphlet comes in handy. It helps clarify things and open up their eyes. The customers that are familiar with Diamond Certified definitely always trust Diamond Certified companies over any other company. Also, the fact that it provides them with specific companies over the rest. When you go in the yellow pages and look up any company, you're going to see 1,000 different, whether you're online searching anywhere, and all you have is a name. You don't really see details, information. What do they do? Do they do it good? And definitely those things all help open the customer's eyes and help them lead them to the appropriate companies that are going to give them the quality that they need.